In this video, we'll walk you through the setup of your new Venu 3 or Venu 3S smartwatch and introduce you to some features you're going to love. Your watch comes with 3 buttons. The top button turns on your device, allows you to access the activities and app menu, start and stop activities, open the control menu, and launches the assistance feature. With the middle button, you can select recently opened menus or settings. Or you can press and hold it to open the voice assistant feature when connected to your compatible smartphone. The bottom button allows you to return to your previous screen. During an activity, use this button to mark a new lap, start a new weight set or yoga pose, or advance to the next stage of a workout. You can also hold this button to view your settings menu from the watch, or hold the button on a specified widget glance or feature to view its settings. Your Venu 3 or 3S also features a bright, colorful touchscreen display, which can help you navigate your watch. Swipe up or down to scroll through glances, features, and menus. Tap the screen to wake up your watch or select various options. Swipe right to return to the previous screen. During an activity, you can swipe right to view your watch face and glances. From the watch face, you can swipe right to view the shortcut feature. To begin setting up your watch, first download the Garmin Connect app to your compatible smartphone and set up an account if you don't already have one. Turn on the watch by pressing the top button. When the watch powers on, choose your preferred language. Then select the check mark to begin pairing your device to your compatible smartphone. To set up your Venu 3 or 3S, scan the QR code displayed with your smartphone's camera. The Garmin Connect app will open automatically and begin pairing with your new smartwatch. After that, follow the instructions on your smartphone to finish pairing. During this process, you'll also be able to set your goals and more. This includes the option to enable wheelchair mode. For help using this feature, please see our video on setting up the wheelchair mode on your Garmin smartwatch. Once you're done with initial setup, you can tailor your experience by customizing Glance and Apps list, setting up Garmin Pay, adjusting hydration goals, enabling Pulse Ox for sleep, and more. Let's talk more about using your smartwatch. To wake up the display, tap the touchscreen or lift your wrist and rotate it towards your body. When the watch face is displayed, you can swipe up or down to scroll through glances that show your stats for the day, health data, your calendar, and more. You can change these glances or add more right on the watch. Press and hold the bottom button to bring up the main menu. Here you can change your watch face, open your alarms, stopwatch and timer, and access watch settings. From settings, you can set up music, turn on battery saver mode, and more. This is also where you will configure health and fitness features, such as setting abnormal heart rate alerts or turning on Pulse Ox. From any screen, press and hold the top button for 2 seconds to view the controls menu where you can access quick functions, such as volume, do not disturb, sleep mode, and more. Press the bottom button or simply swipe from left to right to go back to the previous screen. To get to the shortcuts menu, hold the bottom button, then select Settings. Select Shortcut to display shortcut settings. From the watch face, you can swipe right to access your shortcuts. To customize a glance, touch and hold it to move it up or down. You can also remove it from the active glances list. Scrolling to the bottom of the glance list, you can select Edit to further edit your glances. Holding the middle button will activate your smartphone's voice assistant. This will allow you to initiate a phone call and respond to text messages when connected to your compatible smartphone. If you like, you can also assign a different control to the button shortcut. Press the top right button to access the Activities and Apps menu. This includes Garmin Wallet, Music, Timer, and Flashlight apps. Next, we'll walk through how to start an activity. You can customize the activities available on your watch in the Garmin Connect app or on your watch. First, press the top button to access the Activities and Apps list. To add individual activities to your favorites list, tap Edit. Then scroll down and tap the plus sign. Here, tap the activities you want to add to your favorites list. To edit your favorites list, tap the activity and hold to reorder or remove it. When you're ready to start an activity, go back to the main list. Swipe through the options and select an activity. If the activity requires GPS, go outside and wait until a signal is acquired. Press the top button again to start the activity timer and begin recording data. Depending on the activity, you can use the bottom button for different functions, such as marking a lap or moving on to the next set. While you work out, swipe from left to right to return to your watch face and view glances. Simply press the bottom button or swipe from right to left to get back to the activity screen. When you're finished, press the top button to stop the timer. You'll see a recap of your activity data and the option to resume your activity. You can also choose to either save the activity or discard it. Once saved, the activity will be synced to the Garmin Connect app for you to view in detail. Your smartwatch comes with safety and tracking features when connected to your compatible smartphone set up in the Garmin Connect app. There are two main features: incident detection and assistance. The incident detection feature automatically sends a message with your name and live location to your preset emergency contacts when your smartwatch detects that an incident has occurred during select outdoor activities. Assistance allows you to send a message with your name and live location to your emergency contacts. To activate assistance, press and hold the top button for 2 seconds, which brings up the control menu. Keep holding for another few seconds and you'll see a prompt to call or message your emergency contacts. Now we'll go through adding your favorite tunes to your watch. If you skipped adding a Wi-Fi network during initial device setup, you'll need to add a network now. While in range of your Wi-Fi network, open the Garmin Connect app and select the More icon. Scroll down and tap Garmin Devices. Then select your Venu 3 or 3S. Select Finish Setup, followed by Connect with Wi-Fi. Finally, select Add a Network. Then just select an available network and enter the login details. To connect to your third-party music provider, press the top button to bring up the Activities and Apps menu. Tap Apps. Scroll down and select Connect IQ Store. Scroll down and select Browse. Then scroll down and select Music. A list of third-party music providers will be shown. Select your preferred music provider. Select Install to download the app to your Venu 3 or 3S. Bring up the Apps menu again and select the Music icon. Then press and hold the bottom button. Now select your favorite music provider to finish setting up the app and begin syncing music. You can also download content from your own digital music collection to your watch. Start by installing the Garmin Express application onto your computer. Then connect your watch to the computer using the included USB cable. Open Garmin Express. If this is your first time connecting to Garmin Express, choose Add a Device. Garmin Express will find the watch connected to your computer. Follow the on-screen instructions. Then select Music to begin transferring the songs and albums you want. Now, all that's left to do is to pair your headphones. Just bring the headphones within range of your device and enable pairing mode on them. On your watch, hold down the bottom button. Select the Settings icon followed by Music. Then select Headphones. Now select Add New. Finally, select the check mark. Select your headphones to complete the pairing process. Now you're ready to get out there and get moving. Thanks for watching.